Howdy everyone, this is Grant Finer with Uptown 101, and we're at my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're at the fabulous Aster Apartments, in Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. This is a beautiful high-rise, and we've already been talking about it. We've walked past it, kind of seen the area, but now we're actually going to go walk in the garage. Garage is an important part of your experience here at the Aster, so let's talk about it. First of all, you've got a few free spaces out here. So these are spaces that anyone can use at night. During the day, they're reserved for future residents and things like that. Here's the actual garage. So you are going to have access included with your rent in this garage. This is the garage, so it's going to work like this. You're actually going to see it working. Someone's coming up that's I believe that's going to go in. No? Okay. Well, no. So basically, they will come up here. They'll come up to this key code that's here. They'll use, I think they're using Butterfly, so it's an app driven. So you flash the app, the gate opens up. This is a very substantial iron gate, by the way. It opens up just for your vehicle. You go in, it closes. And the same thing, it's got entrance and it's got two sides. So that's the garage. It looks very substantial. Undoubtedly, there would be reserved spots in here as well, but those reserved spots are extra. So to get those spots, you'll need to pay an extra amount a month. But typically, the entrance into the garage, that's going to be free. That's a little bit more about the garage. So now let's walk inside. We're going to go see this lobby. You're going to love it. It's really genteel, very unique. I love the feel. You're going to see something you're going to like right away. It's really cool. I can't wait to show it off to you. It's just a little bit. It's fun. Hey, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, ooh, look, we're walking up. This is going to be cool. If you have any question about anything you're seeing, or if you want to take a virtual tour, that's the easy way to do it. Send me a text. Just say, hey, Grant, I'd love to see this inside. Maybe see a few places I might be interested in on Zoom. Why don't you send me a text and let's set that up. Okay, so let's walk right in right now.